Welcome to Tech Prep video tutorials. In biology of week 17, let's study evolution and solve a question. The question asked is, in speciation or speciation occurring due to geographical barrier is termed as what? Is it allopatric, sympatric, parapatric, or is it peripatric? Well, before we even go to the options, let's understand what speciation and how it is classified on based on geographical barriers. So, speciation is the changing of individuals within a population. So they are no longer a part of the same species. It could be because of geographical isolation or reproductive isolation of the individuals within the same population. So as the species evolve, they diversify, and they no longer breed with the original species, and that's how a new species is formed. So let's look at the options: allopatric, sympatric, parapatric, and peripatric. Here, if you look at it, patric means place, and allo stands for other place. Sympatric, sim stands for same place. Para stands for beside place, and peripatric is within, or rather nearby. So let's look at each option carefully, and we will be able to arrive at the answers. In allopatric speciation, the populations are physically separated, means there is a geographical barrier in between. For example, a set of population separated from other similar populations within an island. For example, the Madagascar, the Galapagos. So because of that barrier, the individuals do not mate with the other populations across the barrier, and they evolve intrinsically. So this is wherever there is a population which is divided because of a geographical barrier, then and a speciation formed because of that is called as allopatric speciation. So as per the question, the answer is option A. However, let's look at the other options also. The second one, sim, which means same place. And if they are living in the same place, how do they diverge? Individuals coming into, for example, this could happen when individuals coming into mating seasons at different times are able to mate in the same place where they were born. The other options is parapatric. Para means beside, which means there are two populations of the same species living side by side, but they are no more separated by any geographical barrier. But for some reason, the individuals within the population only mate with individuals in their immediate area. So this kind of speciation is called as parapatric. And the fourth is peripatric. Peri means very near, wherein again here it's a form of speciation where the individuals are isolated for whatever reasons, but they are not divided by any geographic barrier. But in extreme cases, it could be something like wherein most of the individuals are killed due to some natural disaster or something like that, and since only a few of them remain, what happens is, since there are really very few individuals alive, because of the small gene pool, only the rare genes are passed more often, which causes a genetic drift. An example of this could be the polar bear differentiated from the or species becoming a new species from the which actually separated from the brown bear, which we found normally on the all the mainlands. So the isolated individuals quickly become incompatible with their original species or from where they started off, and have become a new species. So this form of speciation is called as peripatric. However, coming back to the question, the right answer is allopatric speciation, where there is a geographical